how to create recurring tasks in Notion. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring tasks in Notion so you never miss your daily, weekly, or monthly to-dos. First, log into your Notion workspace. The quickest way, click Continue with Google and choose your account. Once inside, head to the page where you want your recurring tasks, maybe your personal dashboard or project board. Click the New Buttons drop-down and select New Template. Give your task a name, add details, or set a checklist if you like. Click outside the template and it'll save automatically. Now, open that same drop-down, find your new template, and click the three dots next to it. Select Repeat. This is where you choose how often it appears daily, weekly, monthly, whatever fits your workflow. When you've set the recurrence, click Save. Done. Your task will now reappear exactly when you need it, keeping your workspace organized without you having to recreate it every time. The best part? You can customize these templates endlessly perfect for both personal habits and team projects.